Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to set up subscription for Cloud Code. Now Cloud Code is a premium version of the Cloud, which is an AI, and basically to get yourselves to the premium version and set up the subscription, you need to to access Cloud Code, you need to actually have a subscription. So here is how to do it. First of all, go to your account right here and click on upgrade the plan. Or you can literally just go to your chats. Next to it, you will find coworker and code. Simply just click on one of them and click on get cloud code, and then you will be on this page. Choose what kind of plan you'd like and basically what type of payment you would like to pay, either monthly or yearly. Then choose whatever you want, and here you will be able to actually put your monthly information. Here, choose your name, Morocco, address line, card number, expiration date, security, and the tax number in case you had it, and simply click on you agree and then click on subscribe. And if you had enough funds on your account, then the actual subscription will go through. Now, what are the difference between Pro and Max? The Pro will give you research, code, and organize. It has everything in the free, plus some cloud code directly in your code base, both through task and cowork, higher usage limits, access to more cloud models, and memory that carries across conversations. Plus, here on the $100 plan, you will get up to 20 times more users than Pro, recommended for Cloud Code and Cowork, early access to advanced cloud features, higher output limits for all tasks, and priority access at high traffic times. So this is very cool for those who use AI as a way of living. So it's very good. You won't regret it. You will have access to both coworker and basically code, which is very huge. And yeah, just simply put your information, get your credit card, and pay, and you will have it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys next upcoming video.